So what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video. So today, guys, we got a special one. This is one of my favorite mods to do on any BMW. Literally, it changes the whole feeling of the car. Like, interior mods always change the feeling of the car, but this one specifically. We are changing these base seats that you guys saw from the B-roll to these sports seats, guys. So we finally got some sports seats for this E90. This was like the one thing that the interior is really missing now, because the last video we went ahead and replaced the steering wheel, and we actually put on some paddle shifters. We put on some paddle shifters and everything. So now all that was missing was some seats. So we actually went over this last weekend. Me and Nick went over to Specialized German over here in like Rancho Cordova area. They have a nice big like lot, like parts yard essentially, and we ended up copping these seats for 300 bucks, guys. So 300 bucks for these seats, sports seats in this color, is really hard to find. I don't know if you guys know, but they're like practically impossible. They really only come on like 335s, I think. Yeah, they're super difficult to find. Super hard to find. So we ended up finding some. So let's go ahead and show you guys what they look like. So guys, these are the seats right here. We got two of them. We got the driver's side and the passenger side. Like I said, these are very difficult to come across. So when you do find one, you always got to cop them. They are extremely dirty though. Whoever owned this car that these came off of really did not care about how their interior looked, because this thing is completely stained up. This one's even worse. It has like, I don't even know what that is. It's like soda or something like spilled on there, and then, oh man, it's just bad. So we're gonna go ahead and clean all these up real quick, take out the seats from over here, and maybe even vacuum out underneath the seats while we have them out. But yeah, let's go ahead, show you guys these seats in here. So as you guys see, these are the base seats, and they don't have like the bolsters right here and right over here actually, because I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like more over here compared to over here. So I don't know, they're much more comfortable. The sports seats are much more comfortable compared to these base seats. Let's go ahead, just jump right into it. Let's go ahead and start taking these out. Holy moly, bro. There's a house key right there. Bro, there's a straight up house key right there. Oh man, I didn't want to touch bro. Guys, look at this junk. It's so bad. That's why it's mandatory to replace seats. It makes me want to take off my seats just to check if they're dirty. Guys, check this out. Just finished vacuuming this, and I used a little bit of degreaser on the sides, and it looks way better. So we're gonna go ahead and finish that side, and also we're cleaning up these. We're having a little bit of a struggle like with down here. It's staying stained, unfortunately. Maybe we'll have to clean it later, but overall look at this, bro. That was from like one seat, guys. That's, I mean, crazy. This seat just became to look so much better. I mean, you could tell a difference. Yeah. This one is a lot better than the how this one was, but
still dirty. But bro, if it's stained, it's like it's so much better. But yeah, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish that side real quick, and then Nick's gonna go ahead and clean this one. We're gonna go ahead and throw them in. Guys, check this out. So there's still a little bit of stains in here and like on the side right over here. There's nothing we could really do about it. Maybe I'll find some like really good leather cleaner and clean that off, but
bro, look at this seat.
Bro,
this passenger seat just came out like
it came out really nice. Like I said, guys, there's a few stains in here to be expected, honestly. They came out so much better than before. As you guys know, they were filthy. But we are kind of running out of daylight, guys, so we are trying to get these seats in as fast as possible. But we cleaned this side. This side is looking all good. We also cleaned up this side and it's looking really good now too. So the seats are ready to be put in. So let's go ahead and throw those in real quick. But guys, check this out. We got the seats in here. Bro, something about sports seats, they look so much better. We're gonna go ahead and finish up putting these seats in, and then I'm probably gonna have to record another day, getting guys some nice B-roll, because it's getting pretty dark out here, losing light quick. But the seats are in.
Bro, they look just that much better.
Crazy good, dude. Heck yeah. So yeah, anyway guys, we're gonna go ahead and finish this up, and then honestly, we'll cut back to you guys in another day. So guys, this is the next day. We ended up getting these seats in, some nice sports seats. Finally guys, we got these in. These are just so much better compared to like the base seats. Very happy with how these are. Yeah guys, so we finally got these seats in here. Very excited about that. Wish I could have recorded the day of, because it's always better to record the day of. It's kind of hard to get the lighting in the middle of the day. But yeah, huge shout out to Nick for helping me install these. I made it go way quicker than if I did just by myself. He actually has a YouTube channel, so go check out his YouTube channel. I'll link it down below. He has around like 2,000 subscribers now, which is sick. So definitely go check out his channel. Finally, we got these sports seats in here. The car feels complete on the interior, but as you guys know, the exterior is pretty beat up. So we still got a lot of work to do on that. I think in the next video, I'm gonna go ahead and announce something special for this car. Been waiting to do this for a while now. But yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this quick little video, make sure to go ahead and give it a like. Make sure to subscribe down below. I'd really appreciate that. Go ahead, check me out on Instagram, and I'll go ahead and throw up Nick's Instagram as well. So go ahead, check us out on there. But yeah guys, other than that, these seats are very comfortable. Love these type of seats. Anytime I get an E90, I always have to put like sports seats in them, or like E92. Like I even put sports seats in my 335 as well. It's just honestly a must for these cars. If you guys have a BMW without sports seats, I highly suggest considering putting sports seats in here, because it really does change the feel of the car. It's a huge difference, and it's definitely a must. But yeah guys, with that being said, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that part of your car. I will catch you guys later. Hey, what's going on?